What's up guys, it's Matt Leicht. Thanks for joining us today for yet another model home tour. Today I am at Talon Preserve on Palmer Ranch and I'm gonna take you through the Seagrove floor plan. The Seagrove is a smaller villa unit. It's 1,448 square feet, can be built as 2 bedrooms or 3 bedrooms, and it has an attached 2-car garage. Now, if this is your first time joining us today, I wanna say welcome. Would you consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel? See, I make videos on relocating to Sarasota real estate, market updates, and everything in between. So now, let's go ahead, let's jump inside the Seagrove. Welcome to the Seagrove floor plan. You are gonna find level 3 tile throughout this unit. So one of my favorite things about the Seagrove is this kitchen. One, because it is huge. It takes up a large footprint. So if you're into cooking, this is a great kitchen for you. This particular unit actually has level 3 quartz countertops paired with level 3 cabinets. Now, the cool thing about Talon Preserve is it's a natural gas community. So if you like to cook with gas, you're gonna get that here at Talon Preserve. As you continue through the unit, you're gonna see that you've got your formal dining space right into your living room. It is the true open concept floor plan. As you come through your side entry door, you're gonna have this den right off the entrance. So down this hallway, you've got your laundry, your full bathroom, and your second bedroom. And right here, we've got the master bedroom. It's a generous size considering this is a king size bed. You have a very large master closet. You gotta check that out. So let's talk about 2 really important questions. How do I secure a home site in Talon Preserve, and what in the world is pricing for this villa? Well, pricing changes all the time. Right after I shoot this video, it's gonna change. So the best way to get the most accurate pricing is gonna be to click the link in the video description below to download the most up-to-date pricing information. Now, how do you secure a home site? That is a loaded question because it changes all the time. It goes from auction to a first come, first serve to, I might get a phone call from a builder that a buyer fell through. So there's a lot of different ways in securing a home site, and it changes. My advice would be, if you haven't found a realtor, to find one, or just give me a call, shoot me a text, drop me an email, and we can start that conversation. Now, if you want to see the rest of the model home tours here in Talon Preserve, go ahead and check out this playlist right here. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.